How to change a TikTok reason without a VPN. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in TikTok. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap open your app and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Now, in order to change your reason, go onto your profile on your bottom right and tap on three bar icon on your top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Here scroll below and under content and display you will see language. Tap open it, then tap on app language. Here it is set to English by default, but you can change onto any language that you would like. Once done, tap on done. Now again go to preferred languages on the second option and select the languages that you understand, and they will use this to improve your experience. You can check multiple languages as well. Once done, tap on to done. As you can see that I have chosen two languages, that means that my content will be shown in two different languages. And that is how you will be able to do so. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.